see an autistic person, let's say CT scan or something, and does it show up differently or how?
CT scan में नहीं आता, but yes, there are certain, actually it's more behavioral. So once their brain, मतलब एक चीज़ है functional MRI and everything जो brain activity बताता है, it's not something that's done very commonly or very easily. But the thing is कि you have to wait for the brain to develop. So you have to wait a certain number of years. So instead of doing those MRIs and everything, what we do is you look at the symptoms, you look at the behavior symptoms, milestones जो होते हैं बच्चों के, उसके against आप check करते हैं, is the child missing milestones? If they're missing milestones, then what do we need to do? What is the first step? So diagnosis actually is, according to me, diagnosis is irrelevant. Diagnosis, especially.
He's higher on the spectrum and she is lower on the spectrum. What does that mean?
So that means higher on the spectrum would mean कि challenges ज़्यादा हैं. ठीक है, behavior issues हो सकते हैं, sensory challenges हो सकते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. It's more difficult for that child to function and operate in a typical environment. Lower on the spectrum means कि lower challenges. So higher on the spectrum, and then there are two other terms, high functioning and low functioning, which mean the opposite. So low functioning means that you are higher on the spectrum, yes, and you are not able to function within society that well, which means कि शायद आपकी speech नहीं होगी या speech delayed होगी या और challenges होंगे. And high functioning means कि you are able to function more in the daily life.